I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring Nightreign crashing issue. So for the first step, you should go to the search and then type in Task Manager, open this application running. After that, you need to ensure that you have CPU and memory below 100%. So scroll through all of these processes right here and then terminate the most useless or unwanted ones. After that, go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running, right click on it and select End Task. Next, go to the search and type in Device Manager. Open this one. Now you need to look for display adapters. After that, you need to select your graphics card. Right click and select this option. Follow up with this option. After that, you can close. Now go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings, go to the Windows Update bottom left corner and make sure to download and install all the available Windows updates in order to get the best performance and avoid any issues happening. After that, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Of course, you can open the AMD app alternatively. Now you have to go to drivers at the left menu and make sure to download and install the latest available driver for the graphics card. Once done, you need to click on this Steam launcher in order to open it again. After that, go to library and then go to collections. In the left menu, look for Elden Ring. If you have the game installed, of course, you need to select it. After that, click on this gear icon and again go to properties. Now go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files, so it can automatically verify the original files of the game and any missing file will be automatically recovered. That is possibly responsible for the crashing issue. So once done, all you have to do is to go to the Windows icon, try restarting your computer and see if the problem is fixed. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.